Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flower coaster. So let's get started. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and a 3-ply yarn, but you can use any type of crochet hook or yarn. First of all, make a slip knot, and now we would make chains with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6. After making 6 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, and then we would start working into this ring. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and these 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. After that, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is our first double crochet stitch. Now make a second double crochet stitch into the ring. Again make a double crochet stitch into the ring, and then again make a double crochet stitch into the ring. So in this way, make total 19 double crochet stitches into this ring. In the last, we would have total of 20 double crochets including the 3 chain. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. First round is completed. For the second one, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and it will also be counted as a double crochet. Now into the next double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet, then make chain 1 and then chain 2, and into the next double crochet stitch again make 1 double crochet, and into the next one again make 1 double crochet. After that again make 2 chains, and now into the next double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet, and now into the next one again make 1 double crochet, make 2 chains, and into the next one make 1 double crochet, and then again into the next one make 1 double crochet. So repeat the process and make 2 chains and 2 double crochets in next 2 stitches and complete the second round till the end. Now in the last, make 2 chains and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, and then make a slip stitch into the chain 2. Now we would make a shell into this chain 2 space. Make 3 double crochets which will be counted as a double crochet, and make another double crochet into the chain 2. Make chain 2 and again make double crochet 2 times into this chain 2 space. So this is our shell. Now we would make a shell into the next chain 2. So make 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and then 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. This is our second shell. For the third one, again make 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and then 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Now start working into the next chain 2 space and repeat the process of making 2 double crochets, 2 chain, and 2 double crochets. So make this shell into every chain 2 space of the second round and complete your third round. Now you would change the color. You can make a slip stitch into the third chain with this color, or you can make a slip stitch with the color also, this color. So now change the color and make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. Now this is the last round, and into the chain 2 space we would make shells. Take these 2 yarn strands inside the work so that we don't have to weave these yarn ends separately. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and then in between these shells right into this space make a single crochet, and now make a shell into the next chain 2 space. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and then double crochet 7, and make a single crochet in between these shells. So make shell in every chain 2 space by making 7 double crochets. So I have made all the shells. Now in between these last shells make a single crochet, and now pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now in the starting double crochet, take this yarn end and pull it through at the back side of the work, and now weave this yarn end. I have woven the yarn end. So this is the back side and front side of flower. So if you like the video of this flower coaster, give it thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.